everybody, Crazy Will here, and today we're going to do another Crazy Will quick tip. Today, I ran into a problem, probably a very common problem, but for me it was a problem of forgetting a Windows password. So if you forget your username and account in Windows, this is a way to get your computer back. Unfortunately, it is a destructive way. Basically, you're gonna lose everything if you do it this way. Now, there are other techniques that you guys could look up, hook it into an external hard drive reader and try and get the files that way. You can usually get around it that way. In this case, we just can't log on to Windows. So I'm gonna show you how to get around that. So for me, this was a computer, a Dell that I found, a Dell that I found in the garbage. It's a 2013, it was still good, everything ran great in it, the hard drive was still good, everything was good on it, but it had a username and password, so I had to get around that, and this is how I did it. Alright, so I know this isn't the greatest way to show you guys how I got into the machine. I have to record the screen, but this is the scenario that I'm in, so this is what we're gonna do. So when you go in there, there's the username, that's mine, I have the password, but let's pretend when I first got this, it was somebody else and I didn't have their password. There was no way for me to get in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down on the shift key on your keyboard. Before you do anything, hold down on that, and you're gonna go to, while holding down on the shift key, restart. And you're going to keep holding the shift key. And this brings you to this window. Now from here, you can do all types of things. You can continue on to exiting, you can turn off the PC. We can even go here to a USB device and reinstall Windows. Another thing we could do is go to troubleshoot. We'll go in there real quick. Reset this PC, which this is what I would recommend doing. You click on this right here. Keep files, remove everything. And that would remove the password and start everything from scratch. So let's click onto that. So now it's getting ready. It takes a little time. It's getting ready. Just remove all my files and keep using this PC, or fully clear drivers, use this if you're recycling this PC. This is the one you want to go for, and you're going to click on that and go through the steps, and then your machine will be back to normal. You'd have to go through the process, set up a username, and do all those steps. I'm not going to do that because this machine's already set up for me, so I am going to exit out of here. That is my quick tip if you are locked out of your Windows 10 computer. So I hope that helps. I know it's a destructive way, but at least you can get back into your machine, or if you've gotten a machine from a used store or a Goodwill and it has a username and password on it, you can get into that machine. But there's a lot of instances where this will work. Like I said, this is Windows 10. This was a quick way to get through it. I read a lot of stuff online that said just restart it, hold the shift button. They didn't tell you to hold the shift button before you go to the restart, and it got me a little confused, and it got me through a loop for a good 10 minutes because I was trying to figure out what the heck was going on. So I hope this helped you. It may be obvious to some, but some it might not be. So I thought I'd do this quick video and show you how to do it. That's it for me, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe if this helped you. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. Later, guys! You're still here? You haven't clicked on all these videos that I made? Or better yet, like button? Or even better, subscribe button? Just putting it out there.